Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Far Cry 5 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the store page. Now from this page, click on the search box and then type in Far Cry 5 and start your search. Once you find this game, go ahead and click on it, and this will take you into the games page, from which you can check out the game trailer and also view all of the reviews. Then just scroll down and you will find the add to cart buttons alongside the various different editions that you can buy of the game. Just click on the button alongside your preferred edition and then you can click on view my cart to proceed forward to payment. Once you click on the continue to payment button, you can now choose your payment method that you would like to use to finalize your transaction. After choosing your payment method, continue forward and you will need to enter your credentials. If you have chosen PayPal, just log into your PayPal account, and once you have logged in, you can simply finalize your transaction, after which the game will be added to your library. And from your library, you can complete the installation with just a few clicks. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Far Cry 5 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.